Toyota Corolla Altis 1.6 automatic 2005 outclass condition, low mileage. Inside, genuine brand new tires. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am presenting a very neat, well-maintained, and reliable sedan. Toyota Corolla Altis 1.6 automatic 2005 model. If you are searching for a comfortable automatic car with strong performance and trusted Toyota reliability, then this vehicle can be a great option for you. Make sure you watch this video till the end for complete details. Let's start with the basic introduction. This is a Toyota Corolla Altis 1.6 automatic, model 2005. Corolla is well known in Pakistan for its durability, comfort, and excellent resale value. Even after many years, this model remains popular because of its strong build quality and smooth driving experience. This particular car has been driven only 97,000 kilometers, which is considered very low mileage for a 2005 model. The mileage clearly shows that the car has been used carefully and maintained properly throughout its life. Now let's talk about the ownership and maintenance history. This Corolla belongs to the second owner, and the car has been company maintained, which is a very strong positive point. Company-maintained vehicles usually receive proper servicing and genuine parts, which helps maintain the car's reliability and performance. Talking about the body condition, the car is inside completely genuine, which is one of the most important factors while buying a used vehicle. The inner structure, including pillars, trunk, and engine bay, is all original. From the outside, the car has a shower on original color due to fade, which is very common in older vehicles. The repainting was done only for cosmetic purposes and does not affect the originality of the car's structure or performance. Overall, the exterior looks neat, fresh, and well presented. Under the hood, this Corolla comes with Toyota's reliable 1.6-liter engine, which is famous for smooth performance and long-lasting durability. The engine is running perfectly with no smoke, no unusual noise, and no mechanical issues. It provides a comfortable and powerful driving experience, whether you are driving in the city or on highways. This vehicle comes with an automatic transmission, which makes daily driving much easier and more comfortable, especially in city traffic. Gear shifting is smooth, and the driving experience is relaxed and enjoyable. Now moving towards the tires and road grip. The car comes with brand new tires installed, which is a great advantage for the new buyer. You do not need to spend extra money on tire replacement, and new tires also improve road grip and driving safety. The suspension system of the vehicle is well maintained and provides a comfortable ride. The car handles road bumps smoothly and remains stable at higher speeds, ensuring a safe and enjoyable journey. Now let's talk about the interior. The interior of the car is neat, clean, and well preserved according to the model year. Seats are comfortable, dashboard condition is good, and the cabin provides a relaxing driving environment. All basic features and controls are working properly. Overall, this car reflects careful usage and proper maintenance, making it a reliable choice for daily use and family driving. Toyota Corolla has always been known for its low maintenance cost, strong engine performance, and excellent resale value. This makes it one of the safest investments in the used car market. Now coming to the price. The final demand for this Toyota Corolla Altis 1.6 automatic 2005 is $22,45,000. This vehicle is ideal for buyers who want a reliable automatic sedan with genuine condition, low mileage, and trusted Toyota performance. If you are interested in this car, you can contact through inbox for further details and inspection. If you like this car and want to see more clean and genuine vehicles, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Low price Honda City IDSI Vario 1.3 automatic 2006 Karachi urgent sale best family car. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are presenting a very good option for viewers who are searching for a reliable automatic car in low price. This is a Honda City IDSI Vario 1.3 cubic centimeters, model year 2006, registered in 2007 in Karachi, Sindh. If you are looking for a used automatic car for sale in Karachi, a budget-friendly family car, or a comfortable daily driver, then this car can be the right choice for you. First, let's talk about the condition. This car is neat and clean, home used, and well maintained by the owner. The body is original, and the overall look of the car is very decent. The white color gives it a clean and elegant appearance, making it suitable for both family and office use. The car has complete documents, so the transfer process will be smooth for the new buyer. Now coming to the engine and performance. This car comes with a 1.3 cubic centimeters IDSI-owned powerful engine. The engine performance is smooth and reliable, which makes it perfect for daily city driving. The automatic transmission makes driving easy and comfortable, especially in heavy traffic. You don't have to worry about clutch or gear changes in traffic jams. This car is a great option for people who want stress-free driving, beginners, and families. Let's talk about the comfort and features. The car has power windows and power steering, which make daily driving more comfortable. The air conditioner is chilled, which is very important for hot weather, especially in cities like Karachi. An Android screen is installed in the dashboard, allowing you to use navigation, music, and calls easily. The interior is neat and clean, giving you a comfortable driving experience. This car is ideal for daily office routine, family use, and long drives within the city. The mileage of the car is around 129,000 kilometers, which is normal for a car of this model year. The car is mechanically fit, and no major work is required. You can just buy and drive without any tension. Maintenance of this model is easy, and spare parts are easily available in the local market. This makes it a low-maintenance car and a smart choice for budget buyers. Now let's talk about why this car is a good deal. In Pakistan, finding a good condition automatic car in low price is not easy. Most automatic cars are either very expensive or in poor condition. This Honda City IDSI Vario automatic gives you a good balance of comfort, reliability, fuel economy, and resale value. Honda cars are known for their durability and strong resale in the market. This car is suitable for people who want a reliable used car without spending too much money. This car is perfect for small families, working professionals, students, and people who want a second car for daily use. If you are tired of driving manual cars in traffic and want to switch to automatic, this is a great opportunity for you. The demand is negotiable, so serious buyers can come and inspect the car themselves and make a reasonable offer. The location of the car is Karachi. If you are genuinely interested, don't delay. Good automatic cars in budget get sold very fast. Come, check the car, take a test drive, and finalize the deal. If you like such genuine car deals, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get updates on our latest car sale videos. We regularly post used cars for sale in Karachi, budget cars, automatic cars, and family cars. For more details, pictures, and contact information, send us an inbox message now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Corolla XLI 2007 converted to GLI review and walk around best deal urgent sell. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a Toyota Corolla XLI 2007 converted to GLI for sale in Karachi, Pakistan. If you are searching for Toyota Corolla XLI 2007 for sale in Pakistan, Corolla XLI to GLI conversion, use Toyota Corolla 2007 in Karachi, or Toyota Corolla GLI 2007 price in Pakistan, then this video is for you. This is a first owner, family used car that has been maintained with care and upgraded for a better driving experience. The exterior condition of this used Toyota Corolla XLI 2007 is very neat and presentable. The outer body has a fresh paper shower, while the inner side is fully original. The paint looks clean and shiny, giving the car a fresh look. There are no major dents, and the overall body condition is good for a 2007 model. If you are searching for a clean condition Corolla 2007, this car matches that search. One of the biggest upgrades in this car is the new 1,300 cubic centimeters engine installed. The engine is smooth and powerful, giving better performance compared to the original setup. Please note that the engine number is not updated in the book, which is already mentioned clearly. The AC is chilled, making it comfortable for daily driving in Karachi weather. If you are searching for a Toyota Corolla with new engine, Corolla 1,300 cubic centimeters conversion, or Corolla with chilled AC, this car is a good option. The car has new suspension installed, which improves ride comfort and stability on rough roads. It also comes with new tires and rims, giving better road grip and a fresh sporty look. The car runs on petrol and CNG, which is helpful for fuel saving. If you are searching for a petrol CNG Corolla for sale in Pakistan, this setup is practical for daily use. For convenience and features, this Corolla XLI converted to GLI comes with retractable mirrors, central locking, new locks, and new wiring, which improves reliability of electrical systems. The new seat covers make the interior look fresh and clean. The new lights are installed, improving visibility at night. The multimedia steering adds a modern touch and makes driving more enjoyable with easy control of the sound system. All documents are complete and clear. This is a registered car in Karachi and available for inspection. If you are searching for Toyota Corolla 2007 with complete documents, used Corolla Karachi, or Corolla XLI for sale near me, this car is available in Karachi. Viewing is possible for serious buyers, and you can bring your mechanic for inspection. Overall, this is a budget used car in Pakistan with many new parts installed, making it a good option for buyers looking for a low-price Corolla 2007, used Toyota Corolla under budget, or family car in Pakistan. The demand is almost final 16.10 lakh, which is reasonable according to the condition and upgrades done on the car. This is an urgent sale, so serious buyers are welcome. If you are interested in this Toyota Corolla XLI 2007 converted to GLI, contact us in inbox for further details and location. Don't miss this chance to buy a clean condition Corolla 2007 in Karachi with new engine, new suspension, and new tires. If you like honest car sale videos, used car reviews in Pakistan, and daily car market updates, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more used cars for sale in Pakistan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.